Hey guys, welcome to Quick Guide. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I will show you how you can pin a chat to the top on WhatsApp. WhatsApp has gradually emerged as one of the most popular messaging app all over the world. With more than 1.5 billion subscribers and counting, the chat app is most preferred way to interact with friends, professionals, and even send media across each other. For this reason, the Facebook-owned messaging keeps adding a bevy of features on its Android and iOS devices to provide its customer with smooth messaging experience. Hence, it also has one less known feature that can turn out to be really useful for those who want quick access to the important chats the moment they open WhatsApp. That is the pin chat feature. The pin chat feature allows you to pin up to 3 specific chats to the top of your chat list so you can quickly find them. In order to do that, first you need to download the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you download it, tap on it to open. Once you open it, you go to a certain chat box and simply long press on the chat you want to pin. Once you tap on it, you can see various options available at the top of your screen. You just need to go to the pin chat option and tap on it. Now you can see the chat will be pinned and placed right on top of all other chat regardless of the message received on other non-pinned chat. It pins the more important and quickly accessible chats on the top so that you don't have to go through the pain of either searching for the chat on the search bar or scrolling through your numerous chats until you stumble across the particular window. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found it useful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.